Hello, this is question 11 in your June 2022 Pure 1 from edexcel. And you have a figure that shows a sketch of part of the curve C1. So this one is a cubic, and this is the equation for x greater than 0. So we are not representing anything when x is negative. And part C of the curve C2, which is this one, with this equation, and it's just a quadratic. Verify that the curves intersect at x is equals 1/2. So if they intersect at x equals 1/2, that means that the y is going to be the same for both of them when x is 1/2. So this is what we are going to check. We are going to substitute here 1/2, find y, and check that it's the same when we do with the second equation. So that part is quite simple. When x is 1/2, the first one, let's going to call for C1. For C1, I have that y is 2 times 1/2 cubed plus 10, which is 41/4. And for C2, I have y is 42 times 1/2 minus 15 times 1/2 squared minus 7. And when we do this, we get 41/4 again. So that means that they intersect at that point. Then the curves intersect again at point P. And using algebra and showing all the stages of working, find the exact coordinate of P. And so one point is going to be this one point is going to be this one. But we know, so what we need to find is the intersection between the two curves. So if y is the same, it's just solving simultaneous equations. So making equal both equations means that I have 2x cubed plus 10, which is C1, is going to be 42x minus 15x squared minus 7, which is C2. We just reorganize this and we have 2x cubed plus 15x squared minus 42x plus 17 is 0. So we have to solve this equation, but we already know that x equals 1/2 is one of the solutions. So that's going to help us because we know that if x equals 1/2 is one solution, when we divide by 2x minus 1, our polynomial, we are going to 2x minus 1 is going to be a factor. So we can divide, and that means that when we divide the polynomial by that one, we are going to get remainder 0, and we are going to get a quadratic here. If we find the roots, together with this one, are going to be the roots of the whole thing. So let's going to divide. I'm not sure if I'm going to have space. Okay. I divide and I have x squared times by that is 2x cubed minus x squared. So I subtract, these two are gone, and 15 minus 1 is 16x squared. I divide again, plus 8x. I multiply 16x squared minus 8x. These two are gone. When I subtract, minus 42 minus 8 is minus 34x. And this one is minus 17 minus 34x plus 17. And when I subtract, is 0. Which means that this function here is 2x minus 1 multiplied by x squared plus 8x minus 17, yeah? So I have one root, and now it's very easy to find the other roots because this is a quadratic, and it's not easy to factorize, but always can use the quadratic formula. If you do that, you get two values. So x is going to be minus 4 plus minus root of 33. But they say x must be positive, so we are looking for these values, not for any other values, which means that we have to pick the positive one, which is this one. So our value of x is going to be minus 4 plus root 33. And they ask the exact value, yeah, the exact coordinate x of p. We don't have to find the y, and we have to leave it that way. Yeah, so that's all.